Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. Apart from the Chennai Central, there are many images that come to your mind when you think about Chennai. The one such thing is the Koyambedu Market. In this episode, I am going to share with you the Koyambedu Flower Market Tour, where I purchased the flowers for this Onam. And come, now let's get started. And this is the entrance of our Koyambedu Flower Market. Koyambedu Market is not only famous for vegetables and fruits, it's also famous for flowers, which starts very early in the morning, even before 3. Life of people is very hard here, selling all these perishable goods. They make a lot of profit during festival days and Muhurtam days. And the rest of the days is hard for them. They sell flowers in wholesale as well. The best time to visit this market is early in the morning, where you can find the flowers very fresh, and you can find also lots of varieties. We were a little late. We went in the evening. By 4 itself, they were closing most of the shops. And my husband is there bargaining for the flowers. You get roses, dahlia, marigold, and what not. However, the sellers are very kind. And here I found a flower shop where they sell flowers for bouquets. I felt this pot very attractive for me. In end of this episode, I will be sharing you what are the flowers which I have purchased. These small lotuses were about 20 rupees for 3. You also get fresh garlands here. They also offer you catalogs so that you can make choices if you have for some wedding functions and so. And I was very much attracted with this garland. First I thought this is plastic, but when I approached near to it, I found it's natural. Look at the jasmines in it. They look so fresh and so beautiful. This costs about 3,500 when I investigated to the merchant. So these are the flowers that I bought for my Attapookalam. You might have seen this in my previous vlog on the Onam. I bought red roses, some essence roses that smell so sweet. Marigolds of different colors, orange and yellow. See how fresh they are. And this flower costed a little more that day because we were approaching the market during the closing hours. Few other flowers to have some colors in my Attapookalam. I also bought 2 lotuses. So this is on my purchase. Hope you enjoyed this episode and will give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to House to Home. Also watch my previous video on the Onam vlog of 2018. Thanks for watching House to Home.